How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is plant-based too mad, what I eat in a day. And this was a 6-hour eating window, 2 meals. It was a smoothie for my first meal and then a salad and some cooked food, plant-based, for my second meal. And that's often what I do. I'll eat 2 meals in a day, start out with a smoothie, wait a few hours, and then have a second meal. So made a video of this, what I eat in a day, too mad, plant-based. Here's what I had. At 12:30, I started off with this power smoothie. And for this smoothie, I used 4 frozen bananas. I used a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I used some soaked dates. Those are 3 dates that was soaked in some water. I used 2 cups of frozen blueberries. I used a serving scoop of the Marcus Roscran Green Pro C formula, which is just dried berries, greens, and herbs. And same with the Dr. Morse's Muscles by Nature and Superfood by Nature. Those are just dried greens, herbs, and fruits. And then I used a big tablespoon of organic cacao powder and 2 tablespoons of raw almond butter. So that was my first meal of the day. That was at 12:30, and this was about 1,300 calories. And I put it in the blender. It filled up the blender most of the way. I probably could have blended it and put a couple more bananas in there, but it made almost 1.5 liters. I ended up adding a little bit of water to it as well. Then at 6 o'clock, I started my dinner off with a bowl of grapes. After the grapes, I had this meal here. It was a huge salad. I had a bunch of mixed greens. I had tomato, cucumber, celery, apples, and walnuts. I also usually like to put avocado on there, but I didn't have any avocado that was ready, so unfortunately wasn't able to do that. On the left is a bowl of sweet potato plant-based chili, and I'm gonna link the recipe here, so check this video out if you want a delicious plant-based chili recipe, and I had 2 big bowls of that chili. And on the far right, I have 2 pieces of Dave's bread that I toasted, some seeded whole grain bread with some natural peanut butter, and that was the conclusion of the meal. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos on plant-based eating, recipes, fitness, workout routines, and intermittent fasting and fasting. And give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.